Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Pradeep Kumar Sriram. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer working as a solutions architect in Azure. Today we are going to learn a new concept in Bicep. It's learning how to preview the changes before we execute the Bicep template. Let's start. So I have a resource group. Currently it is empty. There are no resources. So in Bicep it is possible to preview the changes before we execute the Bicep scripts. So Bicep will give us a confirmation along with all the changes, and when we say yes, then only it will execute the Bicep script. If we say no, then it won't, right? So this can be achieved with the help of a function called whatif. Usually we run the deployment of a Bicep script using a command called az deployment group. For that we provide some inputs like a resource group name in which we want to create those resources, and then we also provide one more input called file, template file, and provide the name of our Bicep. In this case, main.bicep is a file name. These are the two parameters that are required for running a Bicep script. Now we are going to introduce a new parameter called confirm with whatif. With this, Bicep will ask a confirmation with yes or no inputs. Along with that, it will also show us the changes that are going to be created in Azure. Right? So let's run a Bicep script in Azure. And let me head towards Visual Studio Code now. So we are inside a Bicep script in Visual Studio Code. This Bicep creates two resources. One is app service plan, the other one is a web app. For sake of the demonstration, let me comment the code that creates the web app now, and let me run the script. So this was the command that we have already used. Let me provide the appropriate name, 2.appServicePlan. If you run this command, then it will execute this file and create the resources. But I don't want to run this like this. I want to preview the changes before the execution starts, right? So for that we need to add one more thing, confirm with whatif. Now let me press enter. There are no errors. It is running. Now you see there is a text in green color. Let me make some room. It shows us that there is a new thing which is getting created. It is denoted with plus symbol. And it says resource changes. This is a summary of all the changes that are going to happen now. One to create. That means there is one resource which is getting created. That resource is shown in green color. So we already know that we are going to create a new app service plan. Now it is asking us a confirmation. Are you sure you want to execute the deployment? If you say yes, then the data will be submitted to Azure. Let me fast forward. Alright, it's done now. It took around 30 seconds. Let me head over to portal now. I can see app service plan created in our resource. Okay. Now let's go back to Visual Studio Code and let me uncomment this, save it, and run the command again. This time let's use a shortcut. It's -C and press enter. Alright, it took some time because it needs to compare the state of the current bicep file with that of Azure. Now you can see there are two states. One is with plus, which is create. The other one is with equal to sign. That means there is no change. So now we know that we are creating a new app service and there is no change done to our app service plan. That's why it just says equal to. So our server form, there is no change. So one service to change and one service will not change. It is asking us to provide a confirmation. Yes. Let's say yes and press enter. It took some time and the operation is succeeded now. Now you can see two services created inside the resource group. That's how confirm with what if function helps us in previewing the changes before we execute our bicep script. So what if function provides us few change types. We have seen two different types. The first one is create. It's very obvious that if our bicep script is creating any service, then it just says create. And in case if we are making any changes to the existing resource, for example, let's say you want to change some properties like adding some tags, then tell you that it is modifying one resource. And then if there are no changes but still you are redeploying the same bicep file, then it would say no changes. In case of our app service plan, it did not show us any changes. Okay, and the next one is ignore. For example, let's say you created another resource in another way instead of bicep. For example, you created a third resource using Azure Management Portal. So bicep is not aware of that particular service. So all it does is it just ignores. Bicep will scan all the resources in Azure. It identifies that there is a third resource, but there is no script inside the bicep corresponding to the third resource, right? So it will tell you that I'm ignoring the third resource. We're not deleting anything, we're not modifying anything, we're not creating anything. So for the third resource, you will see ignore. So that's how you can use what if function to understand or to preview the changes that the bicep script is going to perform on Azure. That's it for today. Come up with another new tip in the upcoming video. Stay tuned. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.